Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Revolut to a cold wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your Revolut app and then click on this crypto option from the bottom of your screen. After that, on the screen, you have to click on this send button. Then from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer in your cold wallet. I will just select the USDT from here. Then on the screen, you have to tap on this add wallet address option. Then you have to select the network that you want to use and paste the wallet address in this area. So open up your cold wallet that you want to use. I'm going to use Tangem wallet. After that, you have to add the cryptocurrency in your wallet that you are going to transfer. So just click on this three dot menu in your wallet. The process of adding the cryptocurrency in your cold wallet is similar to the all of these wallets. So just you have to find the settings or menu page, and from here select your wallet and then click on manage token or manage cryptocurrencies. So it will depend on your wallet that you are using, and then you have to search for the cryptocurrency that you want to enable, and we are transferring USDT, so I will just select the USDT and then click on it. Then you have to enable the network that you want to use and then click on save, and your cryptocurrency will be added in your cold wallet. So from here you have to select the cryptocurrency. After that, you will see this receive button or deposit button. So just click on it and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on copy button and then open up your Revolut app again and then paste the wallet address in this area and click on continue. Then your wallet address will be added here. So just click on it and then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on review transfer. Then it will give you the summary of your transfer. So make sure your wallet address, network and amount is correct and then click on send. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Revolut to cold wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.